The easiest way to make reservations for our recovery center amenities or swim lanes is by downloading our mobile app, which can be found on our homepage at elevatesyracuse.com by scrolling down until you see the section for our mobile app. There you will find download links for our App Store for Apple devices or Google Play for Android devices. However, if you prefer, you can make reservations via the website by clicking on Make Reservations. This will take you to our web store. From here, you will need a username and password, the same that you would use for the app. If you need a username and password, please contact the front desk to get yours. Once you sign in the upper right-hand corner, the first thing you want to check is that the club in the top of the screen is the correct location. You can choose between DeWitt and Liverpool for making your reservations. Once you've chosen the correct location, the next thing you want to determine is whether you're making a reservation for the recovery center, infrared sauna or red light therapy, or for a swim lane. Once you've made that selection, you can move forward. Choose the amenity that you are making a reservation for. Complete the process. And your booking is complete. If you've chosen to receive text messages, you should receive a confirmation of your booking.